Boom, just like that. All your chaos is tamed. Imagine your gym bag with sections for drinks, snacks, and, you guessed it, sweaty gear, all separated. The secret? Removable, leak-proof dividers that adjust to whatever life throws at you. Packing for a trip? This nifty tool folds away, taking up no more space than your favorite paperback, yet ready to expand for action. No more juggling or spills. That's organization on the go made easy. Clean up? Piece of cake. With its smooth, non-porous surface, goodbye spills, stains, and nasty smells. Quick wipe and you're done. Less time cleaning, more time living. Ready to own your clutter? Find this magical, life-transforming organizer through the link below. Don't just organize, revolutionize. Click now and dive into a world where packing gets personal and storage gets stylish. Transform your life, one section at a time.